Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you how to fix this error. Everybody knows this problem is a problem on Windows. So I'm gonna switch on the machine here.
But the wonderful news is that God loves us despite of that. God came in the person of his son Jesus to die for you and for me. And on the cross, he took all of our guilt. Everything we have done wrong.
When it comes to Windows, you're gonna see what happens.
When we receive that forgiveness, we experience life, and life in all its fullness. And that's exactly what Jesus wants for you and for me. Life in all its fullness. Life that is very natural. I don't know what's writing about Alpha. We want you to know that Alpha is a place where you can be yourself. No question is too complex for you.
Okay, you can see this. So let it finish what it wants to do.
Today, Alpha is happening in cities all over the world, in over 60 languages, in more than 150 countries.
After finishing that, it's gonna give you Windows again.
You're going to spend 20 years and 3 months asleep, 10 years and 5 months watching TV, 7 years and 6 months eating and drinking, 5 years and 9 months in some form of transportation, 18 months waiting in line, and 6 months at red lights. It's alarming to think that some of us will spend more time sitting at red lights than we will talking about important issues.
Then what you do, you're gonna press on Advanced. Then you click on Troubleshoot. Then you take Advanced option again. Then you take Command Prompt. Give it time. Then you select the user you want to use. Then you give it password if it has. If it doesn't have, just continue. Then from there, then you're gonna type in C. If you enter, after enter, then you say directory dir, then you press enter. If you don't see that, then instead of using C, you're gonna use D, right? Okay, so but now we have everything, we can see it. Then we're gonna go and say cd space / which is backslash Windows, then / system, then 32, then space config. Okay, after that you press enter. Okay, so we're in the config folder there. Then you say md space backup, then you say enter. Okay, after doing that, still, then you can say copy space, then you can say ***, then space backup, then after that you're gonna press enter. Okay, so then it gives you this. Let me see. Okay, once all that is done, 9 files was copied. Okay, then you can say, after copying those, then you can say cd to reg back, then enter. Okay, when you're in reg back, then you say dir, then enter. Then you come back here and say copy space dot, then you enter. Okay, it says 0 files copied. Then exit, say enter. Then you press continue. with Windows 10. See, okay, still we got the problem. Let me see. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. It's 100% complete. Let's see. Okay, let's try something else. If that didn't work for you, troubleshoot. Okay, reset. You can use that and say, then keep remove files, remove everything. Then we can say roll over your whatever. You can choose one of the options. I'm gonna use this.
So you might
select user,
with,
continue.
From the question, what resources does Africa
Cloud,
have?
local, let me say local.
You mentioned gold, you mentioned oil. With oil, if I can just quickly,
so you can use that option.
Little story.
It say, are you ready to reset? Keep files, changes, or keep personal files and stuff. I'm gonna say reset.
Did you know that